Been using this ice maker for about week and a half now, and it's been great. Here's the lid. Here's a little basket. Basket's not huge, but it's enough, makes enough ice to. And there's where you fill the water in, and then it sucks it from the bottom there, and it comes out. There's those little metal stainless steel spouts right there, which is where the ice is made, and then it drops into the tray that's right there, and the lever right there pulls it over and pushes it down into this tray here, where I scoop it out, and I put it in a bag in the freezer, and it yeah, and I just keep doing that until I fill up my bag. But it works great for me. If you're not looking for large amounts of ice, this machine works perfectly. I haven't had any issues with it. It's self-cleaning, so you don't have to clean it out. Although I probably would, you know, if I had it over years and years, and I'd probably clean it once by hand, because self-cleaning just doesn't really clean it. It just runs water through it, yeah, great machine. Definitely recommend it. Thank you. Have a good day.
This is what it does. So we bought this last year, bought it for my wife. We've cleaned it. We have hard water around here. That's what it started doing. I've cleaned it in and out, left and right, descaled it, vinegared it, all kinds of stuff, and it still makes this obnoxious little sound in there. So there's some kind of issue with the mechanic. I don't know if anybody else has obviously had this issue. I haven't seen anybody comment that they've had, but this is an issue I'm having with it. It could be better. It's great ice maker, love it. The freaking ice is amazing, and it makes it fast, but that gets old fast. It's like it's locking up, even though I've cleaned it, descaled it, all kinds of stuff inside of the mechanism itself. Other than tearing the entire product apart, it's just not. That's the only downside I'm having with it. I haven't seen, others have said they've had them for 2 years and haven't had this problem, so I don't know if maybe they're using a different type of water or whatever. Maybe they're using bottled water. Could be a difference. Maybe that's something I need to try. But this is absolutely ridiculous.
So we have had this ice maker for 8 months now, and for the price, I feel like you really can't beat it. Great price point, great quality. You can hear it right now. It's currently making ice. We always have ours pretty much on the large setting. There are 2 sizes, and it's continuously making ice unless it notices these sensors on each side if the ice tray is full. There is one thing though that I wish it had, and this is not going to keep your ice like cold like a freezer. Like once it makes ice, if you don't use it, it's going to melt. The water reservoir is right underneath this tray, so if it does melt, it will just go into the reservoir and then cycle back through again. But it's not keeping your ice frozen, if that makes sense. Like it's just gonna make ice, and then if you don't use it, it will melt. I did have to get a little scooper because I don't feel like mine came with that. But yeah, still going strong. We've had ours for 8 months now. We really like it.
Unfortunately, this ice maker has not held up the test of time. Inside piece of plastic broke. It still sort of works like this, but now in addition to that, we've got rust developing from the hinge point right up there. So that's rusting and going right down into the water source. So this has been used continuously, more or less, since we got it, and it just has not held up.
It's been staying just like this, running. Nothing's coming out. Nothing, and it has water in it. And I'm not getting any ice. And this is where it's stuck at. Got my new ice maker and the best ice, yes baby. And I got it for a good price. Yeah, I better go shop on Amazon, baby. Okay? Look at it. Yes, reviews of the great ice. It's good. I'm gonna give y'all a better video in a minute. But yeah, go shop with Amazon. Very good product. One of the best ice makers I've bought so far. And it makes the good ice.
As your ice melts, it recycles the water down below to create new ice. This is day 3, and we really like it. It is very much like the Chick-fil-A ice. It's soft, it's not real hard, and it's tiny.
Look at this. The ice maker made a giant chunk of ice, and now it won't work. I'm irritated.
Just the right size for nugget ice.